May May 22, 2024. We'll go out Mindanao for a while. One thing I want to share this. I'm so thankful to God for allowing me to be to be born, or something like incarnate in the Philippines. It's a nice place, you know. You cannot ask for more. See, as long as you're contented and able-bodied or have a strong personality to raise your family or correct your own self to be a law-abiding citizen and the child of God. So that's the foremost and very important reason why we can maintain peace on earth. So thank you, Lord, for this Mindanao. I like it. I like the weather, everything. Food, environment, yeah, basic needs, very affordable. Well, if you don't want it that way, if this Mindanao will not give you anything good for you, you try your luck abroad or anywhere, as long as you're healthy. So we go back to health is wealth. No health, no wealth. Papa Bot. Bye bye. God bless. Ayan ang sundo.
Please proceed now to the pre-departure area, gate number 2, for your final security check. And please remain seated and wait for your time for the announcement. Thank you. We would like to welcome aboard the unit of the armed forces of the Philippines. Please have your IDs and boarding pass ready for presentation at the gate and inspection for officer and boarding the aircraft. Thank you, Philippine Airlines, number 1.
Sigaw doon sa instruction, yes, dapat nag-megaphone, hindi namin marinig. Sayang yung laway mo. Yeah? So that everybody can hear. Use megaphone. Dito, senior?
Dito lang, ay doon lang sir. Ay, meron ko tali ako.
May tatlo kami. That's our plane today. Philippine Airlines, May 22, 2024. All senior citizens should go first. Like that woman.
Passengers of Philippine Airlines Flight PR 454 bound for Manila.
View. Yeah, and that's our plane today. And that's Mama Ace, my wife. Yeah, that's the tube. Excuse me, excuse me. Oh, yeah.
Seat number, sir.
Delta. Delta?
Number ano po?
Ay, oh. 36 Delta. Thank you. Ma, asa man ka na?
including those with special needs. If you require any assistance during the flight, please feel free to inform our cabin crew. We are here to help make your journey as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. Allow us the privilege to be of service to you today. Welcome to Manila. The local time is 1:41 in the afternoon and the date today is May 22, 2024. The ground temperature is 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and wait instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. 7 to 43 may now disembark. Thank you.
Welcome to the Philippines. Yeah. You miss me? You love me? You love me? Lily is so cute. Daddy wants to teach you Bulili. Your Bulili? Is your Bulili hamot? Really? No, no otot? No poo-poo? Baby Chloe, you're so beautiful. Is it okay for you to leave Davao? Ano ko na?
No, Ate Thea and no mommy.
Hi. We love baby Chloe. And we love seeing Chloe singing. And we love seeing Chloe dancing. Right? Ito niya, idugo niya yung magulang ah. Idugo niya magulang niya. Chloe?
Gusto na magsaot siya. Gusto niya all ice cream sa iya.
Manguhit pag ina.
Ito na ka.
Tala ko gid partner kay mo. Dapat may fans eh. Look at those angry people. They're angry. They just want. They're angry people, baby.
Reject, Chacha.
Lupa, hostisya. No, Chacha. They don't want any charge or change. They don't want any charge or change. Di lumiling. Gani man. Damo tadi. Strategic ni siya nga dito.
Sige po.
Dito na po bossing.
Ito yun.
Sige po. Ilan na ang udo mo?
Hi, sir.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Pumuna kayo, sir. Tumawag na po ako ng bell.
What? Pwede ah. Tamingon ko lang karon.
Broadcast mo na kami.
6'5". Habi ko ginhinto na ng construction dira. Ang reclamation, habi ko ginhinto na. Lime. Ano ngalan sa hotel? Lime. Lime Hotel. Ito nga oh, parang lime oh.
Lahat po dito.
Ah, hindi.
Alin ba yung sa inyo, sir?
Akin lang yung maliit. Akin na yung maliit na itim. Yeah, okay. Sige. Sa kabila kasi yung iba.
Ito po lahat, sir.
Itong green dito.
Ito po.
Oo. Tapos yun. 6'5".
Ano ka na ako, oh?
Sa Taga-Ilok lang ba? 6'5" ang height. Lime Hotel? Yeah, that's the Manila Bay before. And it was already reclaimed. So full of sand. That's what we call sand of a beach. Sand of the beach. What are they trying to? Hindi ba ginbakal ko sa KCC? Na medyas.